Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1578, that is minimum time to make rope colorful. And in this we are given that Alice is having n balloons arranged on a rope, and we'll be given a 0 next string colors, where colors I will be the color of the ith balloon. Okay, and Alice wants the rope to be colorful, so she does not want two consecutive balloons to be of the same color. So she asks Bob for help. Okay, now Bob can remove some balloons from the rope to make it colorful. You're given will be given a zero next integer array needed time, where needed time is the minimum time that Bob needs to remove the ith balloon from the rope, and in this we have to return the minimum time that Bob needs to make the rope colorful. Okay, so in this what we have to do, like in this for example we are given, we need to make the rope colorful. That is let's consider that two balloons of same color should not be together. Okay, so in this, like the third balloon and the fourth balloon are both blue. Like here it is given that A stands for blue, let's say. So the minimum time that it will be needed by Bob is 3, because if we'll remove the third balloon, and then it makes the color string colorful, or the rope colorful basically, because there are alternate colors present on the rope, and the time to remove the third balloon is also 3. Okay, so in this case all the three balloons are of different colors, so the needed time is 0. Okay, so the output time is 0. And similarly for this case we are having two blue, then one red, then again two blue. So what we'll do, we'll remove the balloon. It's obvious that we have to remove the blue balloon, but we'll be removing the balloons that are like with the minimum time. Okay, so like if we'll remove this first balloon and the last balloon, that will give us only 2 units of time, but otherwise it will, if we'll pick up some other combination, it will take more time. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll try to use the greedy approach, including the two pointer approach. So let's have a variable, let's say total time, that will be our answer. Total time, and let's initialize it with 0, and then two pointer I equal to 0 comma j, j equal to 0. Okay, so now while I is less than needed time dot length, and j is less than needed time dot length. Okay, so this is the condition. We can also do it with only j less than needed time dot length, but for the safety purposes we'll be using both. Okay, so then let's have a very current total, that will be equal to 0, because we'll be using a kind of sliding window approach for this. Okay, and let's say current maximum is also equal to 0. Okay, so now let's do that while I is less than, j is less than needed time dot length, and colors dot char at I is equal to colors dot char at j. Okay, so what we're doing is, let's firstly basically add the total time. Current total is equal to needed time j. Okay, then current max will be equal to maximum, because we have to remove the string the color with the minimum time. So we'll be picking up the to overall maximum time, like which is the maximum time needed to pick up to remove the balloon, and then we'll be subtracting it, because if we need the minimum we have to subtract the maximum of the time. Okay, so math.max current time comma needed time, okay, needed time j, and then j plus plus. Okay, so after this loop what we'll doing, in the total time we'll be incrementing it with current total minus current max, and then let's move I equal to j, and at then let's just return the total time. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, current time, it says it can't find. Okay, sorry, current max, not current time. Current max. Now let's run it. And it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it. Uh, okay, and it gets accepted. Okay, so yeah, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.